On the 10th of September, the UK government published two crucial documents detailing changes to their immigration rules. These changes will affect everyone: students, skilled workers, care workers, and even families seeking to bring loved ones to the UK. If you're interested in these changes, stick around until the end, as I'll be focusing on the key points that matter most to you. Don't skip ahead, you might miss vital information. The documents published on September 10, 2024, include a statement of changes in immigration rules and a supplementary document that works hand in hand with it. Let's dive right into what these changes mean for various groups, starting with students. One of the most significant updates pertains to the maintenance requirement for international students. Previously, the financial requirements for international students to demonstrate they could support themselves had not been updated since 2020. As of January 2025, students will now need to show they have sufficient funds to cover living expenses for up to 9 months. For London students, the new requirement is £1,483 per month, while students outside London must show £1,336 per month. This is a noticeable increase from the previous amounts, which were £1,334 for London and £1,023 for other areas. Over 9 months, this means students in London will need to demonstrate an additional £1,350 in savings. This is a significant amount. For example, if you're coming from Uganda, that means you need to show 65,375,167 Ugandan shillings in your savings account. If you've already paid a deposit on accommodation, that amount can be deducted from your total savings requirement. However, there's some good news. Students who have lived in the UK for at least 12 months on another visa do not need to show maintenance funds. Next, let's discuss the corrections regarding occupation codes for skilled workers. Many employers were mistakenly denying visa sponsorships due to errors in occupation codes. The government has recognized these mistakes and updated the list of eligible occupations for visa sponsorship. Some key occupations that are now eligible include senior officers in firearms and ambulance services, hairdressing and beauty salon managers, biological scientists, artists and entertainers, and web designers. This update opens up new opportunities for many job seekers in these fields. Employers will need to refer to the updated guidance to ensure they are following the correct requirements. Now, let's talk about the dependents of care workers. New allowances have been added to the immigration rules to support care workers who are single parents. If you're a single parent care worker in the UK, you can now bring your child to join you. However, if you are not a single parent, your child cannot join you if the other parent can reasonably take care of them. This is a significant change aimed at safeguarding children while recognizing the unique circumstances of single parents. Lastly, let's cover the family visa amendments. There are minor changes regarding the validity period and relationship requirements for family members applying under the British National Overseas BNO route. Now, when you're applying for a family visa, it's essential to discuss your dependents with your employer. If your application is successful, your dependents will automatically have their applications approved as well. Additionally, proving your relationship has been simplified. If your spouse is in another country, you can now show evidence like constant communication, shared responsibilities like children and financial assistance between you and your spouse. That's a brief overview of the recent updates to the UK immigration rules. If you have any questions or need clarification on any points, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to provide answers or guide you to the right resources. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more updates. Take care, and see you soon.